This is the Motorola Moto G Stylus 5G from Metro by T-Mobile, and today I'm going to be showing you how to take a screenshot on the device. So it is very simple. So the only thing that you need to do is press and hold the volume down key and power button at the same time. Volume down key and power button at the same time. So now let's go ahead and do it. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. We took our first screenshot. Then we're gonna change the home screen, and we're gonna do this again. So volume down key and power button at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. And now we're gonna do our last screenshot by opening the app drawer, as you can see here. So remember, volume down key and power button at the same time. So 1, 2, 3. There you go. So now if you would like to take a look at your screenshot, you only need to go to the Google Photos app. As you can see here, it says screenshots. So here we can take a look at the 3 screenshots that we just took. Okay, there you go. So that was very quick and easy. So that's gonna be all for this video. So thank you very much for watching my video. If you like my video, please click the like button. You can subscribe to my channel so you get more content. If you have any question, please leave it down below. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.